Outlook brings to you excerpts from its latest issue titled Farewell Ideology. India's tryst with ideology has been more complex than the West's. We have caste and region, language, and socialism. All these are forces in their own right. In different times and in different contexts within our country, one has trumped the other. Outlook's latest issue looks at some of the regional and national political parties and the shifts in their ideological stance as they strive to navigate political power, coalition politics, and opportunism. It is a reminder for us and for them about what they stood for once, lest we forget. Ideological Flip-Flops by Snigdhendu Bhattacharya from Outlook. Mamata Banerjee's party claims to be the real Congress in Bengal, more left than the CPIM and more authentic Hindu than the BJP. But what is the TMC's real ideology? In February 2024, when Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh told the media that he believed Mamata Banerjee was Dil Se Congresi, a congresswoman by heart. Was he trying to appease the West Bengal Chief Minister, or was it indeed his heart speaking? For one may ask, can a Dil Se Congresi join hands with the Bharatiya Janata Party, the political arm of the Hindu nationalist Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, which sits on the ideologically opposite end of the Congress? While the nationalism of the Congress united all other identities during India's struggle for independence, the Hindu nationalists have pursued exclusionary politics from pre-independence days. One of the first decisions Banerjee took after splitting the Congress in Bengal and launching her own Trinamool Congress on January 1, 1998, was to make it a part of the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance. She split the Congress because she believed and alleged that the Congress, due to its national political compulsions, was keener on keeping the left in good humor to prevent the BJP from coming to power at the center. This was why the Congress was not going all out against the CPIM-led left-front government ruling West Bengal since 1977, she alleged. Preventing the BJP from coming to power at the center was not her priority. Toppling the Jyoti Basu government in West Bengal was. She eventually helped the BJP come to power at the center in 1998 and 1999 and served in the Atal Bihari Vajpayee's cabinet. For this and more, read the latest issue of Outlook.